In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Booleans in Affinity Designer. Booleans are the building blocks of complex vector shapes. They let you combine, cut, and rearrange simple shapes to create precise icons, logos, and illustrations without losing crisp edges. Once you're in Affinity Designer with a document open, we'll start with a shape on your canvas. Any vector shape will work, like a circle, rectangle, or a custom path. Make sure it's selected so you can easily see its bounds and handles. With your shape selected, we're going to make a duplicate. Duplicating ensures both shapes share the same size and properties, which makes the next steps clean and predictable. You can duplicate however you like, using the duplicate command, copy and paste, or your preferred shortcut. After duplicating, you'll have two identical shapes ready to be combined. Now overlap the second shape onto the first. Drag it so the two shapes intersect in a way that's meaningful for the result you want. For example, offset a circle over a rectangle to carve a notch, or slide two circles to create a lens shape. Turn on snapping if you want clean alignment, and use the arrow keys for precise nudges. The important part is to make sure there's some overlap. That's where the Boolean magic happens. At the top of the interface, you'll see the Boolean options: add, subtract, intersect, XOR, and divide. Here's what each does and when to use it. Add merges both shapes into a single outline, perfect for building up a larger silhouette. Subtract uses the top shape to cut away from the one beneath. Great for creating holes or notches. Remember, stacking order matters here, so adjust the layer order if the result looks reversed. Intersect keeps only the overlapping area, ideal for precise highlights or shared regions. XOR, sometimes called exclude, removes the overlapping area and keeps the non-overlapping parts, which is useful for ring-like forms or decorative cutouts. Divide slices the shapes wherever they intersect and turns each piece into an independent object, giving you maximum control to recolor, delete, or recombine parts. A few tips to work smarter. If you want to keep your shapes editable, hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows while clicking a Boolean. This creates a non-destructive compound you can tweak later. After applying an operation, check your layers panel to confirm what changed. Merge shapes become one layer, while divide creates several. And if you make a mistake, simply undo and try a different operation or overlap. With these tools, you can go from simple shapes to polished professional results in a few clicks.